about what is the base of the cloud computing is. So the subject starts with what is distributed system is. So basically distributed system is collection of independent computers that appears to user as single system. That is, we connect multiple computer to achieve to perform a single task by distributing it on multiple machines and performing it in parallel to achieve a single task. So characteristic of distributed system is that we can able to achieve multiple process simultaneously. We can also have characteristic of inter-process communication between different processes that are running on multiple devices simultaneously. Here in inter-process communication, process can communicate with each other. Another characteristic of the distributed system is disjoint address space, where every computer we are using has its own separate memory. And one of the most important characteristic is collective goal, where we are trying to achieve to perform a task by distributing it on multiple computer. So we are trying to achieve a collective goal. Need of distributed system is geographical distribution, because as there are multiple computer or machines which are distributed across the globe, we can use all of them to achieve our task and to perform an activity which is may be difficult for single machine to do. Second one is speed of computation. Doing a work on a single machine versus doing a work on multiple machines is far easier, because multiple machines are contributing in the task. Second one is resource sharing. As we are using multiple resources, so they are also coordinating in order to achieve the task. So resource sharing is also there. Fault tolerance. As you know, in cloud computing or in distributed system, the data is on multiple systems. So we can say that the backup is already there on multiple computers, so that's help in fault tolerance. However, we will discuss in detail about fault tolerance in upcoming videos. Another is high scalability. We can add as much